Statement 16. Escape to La La Land. After explaining the financial predicament of switching majors, my mother was understanding, but still disappointed that I was dropping out. She made me promise to enroll in a local community college in the fall and pressured me to find a job. Being the age of the internet, most job applications were done online, which she didn't understand. There was constant beratement that I was being lazy and not trying hard enough. I interviewed at a Chipotle 2 hours away from my house 5 times. And even after going through that elaborate interview process, nothing. Not even a sorry we're choosing someone else. There was just nothing. In this turmoil, I somehow convinced my mother to pay for improv writing classes at Second City, Chicago. They're famous for producing great writers, so I took a chance. And I'm so glad that I did. Once again, I was allowed to escape into a world of creativity. My mother was somewhat pacified because I was getting an education, but she was still on my back about getting a job. But I didn't care. I was exploring a passion more deeply than I had ever done before, and I felt fulfilled. Sooner than I would have liked, my time at Second City ended, and I was back in the traditional schooling system. The coursework brought me almost no challenge or inspiration. I didn't mind so much because I thought I'd only need a semester of credits to finish my degree. But I was wrong. The community college wasn't accepting a large chunk of my university credits. My official transcripts were being held due to back owed tuition, and many of my courses were specialized for animal sciences. When I discovered that, I wanted out. I had no desire to stay in that place or with my mother for another year and a half. The panic attacks started again. This time, with 10 times the intensity. A hounding mother, no source of income, no end to the education wheel, no prospect of independence or escape. I felt like a cornered animal. I was breaking. My brain spun with ways to get out of this hell. Where could I run to? It didn't really matter where. Wherever it was, I wasn't coming back here. All I knew was that I needed a place with big chances for opportunity that had no snow. So if I failed and ended up homeless, at least I wouldn't freeze to death. Because I'd rather be homeless than live how I was living. My sights set on Los Angeles. Big city, big dreams, warm beach. I made that trip with only $600 and a resume. I was able to find a job and temporary housing within 3 weeks. I felt truly blessed. I had finally made the right decision for myself, by myself. Even though everyone kept telling me that I was making a terrible mistake. I put the work into my own vision, and the universe took care of me. After that, I decided I would never let anyone else direct my story ever again. And oh, what a sweet, sweet feeling that is.